Oh, okay. All right, we're going to start out with some properties of matrices. And some of these I do actually have up on the word wall over there. So we have a little word wall with our vocabulary. Properties of matrices. Addition, subtraction. Okay. First one. I'm going to give you the property and then I'm going to see if any of you guys remember how to name them. Matrix A plus matrix B is equal to matrix B plus matrix A. So it doesn't matter which one is on the left or right. When we add them, they'll still come out to be equal. Anybody remember that property from previous classes? Starts with a C. I usually call it the flip it because you can flip it. Miss Natalie? Very good. COMMUTATIVE. So commutative. Okay. Some people say commutative, and that's kind of like, well, that's a communicable disease. So hopefully matrices are not a disease to us. Number 2, parentheses, A plus B, parentheses, plus C equals A plus parentheses B plus C. Now, I used to call this the parentheses property because if you look at the order of the letters from left side to right side, A, B, C, A, B, C. So really the only thing that changed is the parentheses. This is a property that starts with an A. Property that starts with an A. And then a couple naughty letters after that. Yes, Miss Natalie?
Associative property.
Associative property. And keep in mind, we can never abbreviate it like that. That's naughty, okay? Very good. Natalie, where are you remembering all these from? Do you know?
No.
No?
Just
Okay.
8th grade math.
Really?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Next one is additive identity. This one, I'm guessing that you might not have remembered. Additive identity. Think of your identity as yourself. What would you have to add to yourself to get yourself back again? And I know that sounds silly that you're adding to yourself. Or think of it numerically. What would you have to add to a number to get that number back again? Anybody know? Raise, please. Miss Natalie?
0.
You'd have to add 0. Now, when we're talking about matrices, we can't just add the number 0. It's got to be called the 0 matrix. Okay? And that looks like, we're going to say we're working with a 2 by 2, for example. The 0 matrix, the 2 by 2 0 matrix looks like this. 0, 0, 0, 0. Now, what if A were a 3 by 3? Well, then the 0 matrix would look like 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Otherwise, you can't add matrices. But for a 2 by 2, it's just 0, 0, 0, 0. All right, awesome. Last one is additive inverse. Which would say A plus something will give you the 0 matrix. Very good. So the opposite of A? Yep. So A plus the opposite of A will give you the zero matrix. Excellent. All right, shall we be fruitful and multiply? It is time to multiply, okay? All right, multiplying matrices. Oh, this will be so much fun. Now, sometimes what happens is during class, people go, I say, do you get it? And people go, I get it, I get it, I get it. And then all of a sudden they'll come in tomorrow and go, I didn't get it. I didn't get it. So we'll go slow, guys. Just make sure you follow the steps. All right, here we go. Matrix A is going to be a 2 by 2. Okay? The elements are, hang on. Yeah, okay. The elements are 2, 3, 4, 7. Matrix B is going to be 2 by 2. Elements are 0, 1, 5, 6. All right, be fruitful and multiply. Biggest thing about multiplying is, where did I stick my red pen now? Oh. Biggest thing about multiplying is, if we're going to do A times B, these inside dimensions, and this means A has to be on the left, B has to be on the right, because we're going to do B times A in a minute also. So A times B, these inside dimensions have to be the same. So as soon as they're not the same, gang, stop and say no matrix. It doesn't work. The inside dimensions have to be the same. All right? The outside dimensions, the ones that are towards the outside, are the dimensions of the answer matrix. Okay. Everybody good? All right. So, let me ask Max. What would be the dimensions of our answer matrix when we do A times B?
2 by 2.
It will be a 2 by 2. Now, when you set up your 2 by 2, make it nice and big. I know a 2 by 2 isn't normally that big. Okay? So it's going to have 2 rows, 2 columns. All right, off you go. We're ready. All right, we're going to do this step by step, and the first thing I'm going to ask you is what element is this position in? So where are we right here in the matrix? So Rachel, what I'm asking you is what row are we in right here? Row 1. And Rachel, what column are we in right here? Very good. And that tells you guys what to multiply. It tells you go to matrix A, find row 1, go to matrix B, find column 1, work across matrix A, work down matrix B. So I shall point. We're going to do first number times first number, which is 2 times 0. Put a plus. We're going to go across A. We're going to go down B. So now I'm going to take second number 3 times second number 5. And we are done. All right? I know this is kind of funky. Miss Maya, what is this position right here? Row, column. Very good. So that means we're going to take row 1 in A, that represents A, times column 2 in B. Row 1 in A, column 2 in B. In A, we're going to work across. In B, we're going to work down. So across, down. Okay? All right, Mason, I shall point. We're going to do first number times first number, which is what times what?
2 times 1.
All right, 2 times 1. And then we're going to put a plus. And then Mason, we're going to work across A, second number, and down B, second number. What are we going to multiply?
3 times 6.
Very good. Okay. Now, do you guys see in our answer matrix, row 1 is filled? So what I have people do is I have them go up here and cross off row 1. We're done with row 1. We're not going to use it anymore. All right? All right, let's keep going. Haley, what's this position right here? Row 2, very good. Column 1. So that tells you what to multiply. It says take row 2 in matrix A times column 1 in matrix B.
4 and 7 times
So 4 times,
0.
yep. So 4 times 0. Always a plus, because I'll look for your pluses on summatives. And then move across, and then on B, move down. So 7 times 5. Very good. Okay. All right, last one. Drew, what position is this? Row,
Row 2.
column.
2.
Yep. So that tells you take row 2 in matrix A times column 2 in matrix B. Row 2 in A, column 2 in B. Joel, what would we multiply for first times first?
4 times 1.
Very good. Okay. And then Joel, move across A and move down B. So what times what?
7 times 6.
Very good. Okay. All right. Then I'm going to go this way. Now we can just do the math. 2 times 0 is 0. 3 times 5 is 15. So 0 plus 15. Next one is 2 times 1 is 2. Plus 3 times 6 is 18. 4 times 0 is 0. Plus 7 times 5, 35. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 7 times 6, 42. Now, if you think you get this, you don't have to write this anymore. You can do the math in your head as you're going along. Okay? All right, final answer matrix. Ms. Hannah, help me out. And you guys can use your calculators. 0 plus 15. 15. 2 plus 18.
Oh, wait, what'd you say?
2 plus 18. So right there.
Yeah.
What'd you get?
20.
Very good. 0 plus 35. Very good. And then 42 plus 4. Okay. How much would the answer be worth, guys? 4. This work. This is, I'm not going to look for this. I'm going to look for this. Okay. So this would be at least like 1 point. 1 point for work and then 4 points for answer. Okay. All right. Next one we're going to do is we are going to do, oh, we're not going to turn it around yet. Okay. All right. Good.